paupers lie to the shareholders. They're crossing their fingers, they pay the truth makers. The balance sheet is breaking up the sky. So I'm caught at the junction, still waiting for medicine. The sweat of my brow keeps on feeding the engine. Hope the crumbs in my pocket can keep me for another night. And if the blue sky mining company won't come to my rescue, if the sugar refining company won't save me, who's gonna save me? Who's gonna save me? Who's gonna save me? But if I work all day on the blue sky mine, there'll be food on the table tonight. And if I walk up and down on the blue sky mine, they'll be paying your pocket tonight. And some have sailed from a distant shore, and the company takes what the company wants. And nothing's as precious as a hole in the ground. Who's gonna save me? Who's gonna save me? I pray the sense and reason. Who's gonna save me? Who's gonna save me? We got nothing to fear. In the end the rain comes down. In the end the rain comes down. Washes clean the streets of the blue sky.
Some of them standing, some are waiting in line, as if there was something that they thought they might find. Taking some strength from the feelings that always were shared. And in the background, the eyes that just stared. What was it brought you out here in the dark? Was it your only way of making your mark? Did you get rid of all the voices in your head? Do you now miss them and the things that they said?
Thank you.